Welcome again to my tutorial video on how you can easily trade on spot trading using your Bybit account. Do well to subscribe, like and share this video, and I'll show you simple method on how to buy and sell your crypto on spot trading, how to trade spot. It's very beginner friendly, and try to subscribe, like and share this video, and the link to register with Bybit is down below this video. If you don't know how to register, every video is down below this video. Check the comments or check the description of this video so that you can get access to the video to watch on how you can create and verify your Bybit account. So let's jump into the video without wasting our time. The first thing you need to do if you want to start trading crypto, you have to just come to your asset area here. Come to assets, you can see. Then you need to just make sure to fund your wallet, all right, with USDT. How can you do that? The first thing you need to do, just make sure to click on this deposit button. When you click on your deposit, you can deposit via P2P or you can deposit via cryptocurrency, which is USDT. You click on this area, you're gonna try to come to this area. This video just based on educational content, is not for kid, and it's very important for you guys to watch this video to the end so that you can understand how can you trade on spot. I normally recommend you guys to just go for BEP20. BEP20 is very lower cost. They didn't charge you for fee. It's zero fee. It's zero fee. You can see, you come to this area, then you come to this particular area, then you're gonna try to copy this wallet. Once you copy the wallet address, then you send it from your other, like Binance, Mexi, Bitget, whatever wallet you have, you can send it from there. You can also go for P2P. When you click on deposit, you can come to P2P area here. You can buy with your fiat currency. You know, I will tell you guys on how to do that in my coming video. This video just based on how can you trade on spot. It's very simple and easy, guys. Then you can just come here and buy your crypto with your fiat currency. But in my other video, I will show you how you can buy and sell crypto with your fiat currency. It's very simple and easy, guys. So let me just go back to this video. So once you have already fund your accounts on your asset area, your money will show like this on your account after you funded it. So then before you can start trading, you need to just make sure to transfer your money from your funding wallet to your what, to your unified trading account to start trading. You come to Unify, you can see there is no any money on your unified trading here. Then you need to just make sure to click on this transfer button. When you click on transfer button, you can see you need to just make sure to change this one to funding. You can see from your funding wallet to your unified trading account. Then you can now click on this area. You click on this area, you come to this area, you change it to be a USDT. Then let's say I want to trade with $100. I will now come to confirm. I'll click on confirm trading. Then the money is being transferred to my unified trading account. It's that simple and easy. All right, so after that, I need to just go back to my to my market here. Come to market down below here. When you come to market, you can see, make sure your account is on spot, because we want to go for spot, not derivative. Derivative is another thing, is future trading, which is not for beginner friendly. All right, so you need to just make sure to come to this spot trading. Then let's say you want to trade BTC. I will use BTC as a practical example for you guys to know on how you can buy and sell crypto via spot trading. How to trade spot trading is that simple. You can even trade Solana and any other ETH, Solana. All these coins are well verified projects. BTC is #1 coin. It's the mother and the father of all cryptocurrency. All right, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Then this is the spot trading. I'm gonna try to click on BTC here. You can see we have many things you need to just understand here. We have the daily candle, we have the time frame. The time frame means this is the 15 minutes. All this candle you are seeing here is represent 15 minutes. The 1 hour candle represent one hour candle. The 4 hour candle represents 4 hours candle. Then the daily candle represent 24 hours candle. And you can see I normally use this particular one to analyze my trade or either on TradingView or on my Bybit account. It's the same thing. You can use Bybit or you can use TradingView, because I don't want to waste your time. So how can you buy here on buy BTC here? You can see that on a daily time frame right now here, BTC tried to rise. BTC rise from around 11,665 to around $117,400 yesterday. Right now you can see BTC is trying to retrace, to come down a little bit, to retrace, to pull back before continuations of the market right now on a daily time frame. Let's go back to the 4 hours time frame to check. On a 4 hour time, you can see BTC right now is rise from 1 hour. You see, you see a lot of bullish momentum, to the up here. You can see from this area to this area. All right, so you can see, let me just even quickly tell you something you don't understand. You can see on this particular area here, we have 24 hours, we have 24 hours low. 24 hours high means within 24 hours BTC rise to around 17,000. Within the hour of 24 hours yesterday, BTC low within around 14,500 something, $567 yesterday. So you may know small you be understand what is that one mean yesterday. You can see right now BTC is trying to retrace back to this level right now. How can you buy? All right, you must make sure BTC come down to this particular zone before you can buy. Around this zone, you can even buy at lower, which is around 1 hour. If I want to buy right now, I will not buy at this particular level. I will make sure to BTC to come down to this around this zone before I can even use DCA. Let's see, I want to buy around 113,200 or 113,150. All right, I'll also buy around this zone again. It's that simple and easy. So how can you buy right now with your USDT? I will show you real quick right now on how you can do that. Then you come to this particular area, you can see buy mean to buy, sell mean to sell. All right, we have alert, we have tools. All these things is normal thing that you can use to trade your coin. Right now I'll make sure BTC come to my entry point before I can because I want to buy at lower price. You can see yesterday some people that buy at this particular around 111, they have already make profit here right now. Means so I'll also buy around this particular level, around 113,000, all right, to around 12,000. all right, that is the where I want to buy again. So right now if I want to buy, I'll just click on buy button. Right now just click on this buy button. My first order, I can use DCA strategy. I will first buy around 113,000. That is my first order, 113,000 as my first order. All right, this is 113,000 as my first order. Now I will now use the value I want to buy. We have, can you see, let me show you another thing here. We have, this is limit. We have limit mean to buy at your own preferable price. Market mean to buy immediately. We have TP, conditional, OCO, all those things. You may know all TPL, all this one, you need to have it as well. So let's say I want to go for limits. I want to buy at 13,000. That is the way I want to buy at what? 13,000. That I want to buy at very lower price. I don't want to buy at this particular point at the moment. All right, I want to buy at 113,000. Let's say I want to go for, let me first use around 50. Let's say I want to use $50 for my first order. You can see $50 for my around 113,000. Bam. You can see I'll click on buy 113,000, 113,000. Then another order again, I can buy around let's say 12,500 or 12,000. That's another order I want to buy. So I split my investment, my money into different, okay, one around 12,000. Sorry, one around 12,000. So I want to buy. So can you see, I will now buy with just $50 here again. You know, I want to buy in two order. I want to buy at 113, then and 112,000. I will now click on buy. I have two order right now. You can see buy. You can see this is all my order. So immediately the price comes to my end, because I don't want to buy at this particular point. You know, in spot trading, you need to buy at very deep area, at very deep price, so that when the coin rise up, all right, then you make your money. So if you want to put your even take profit, I'll just click on modify here, modify. You know, this is my TP. I'll just say, okay, 115. I made a mistake, so I'll make just 115. I'll make just $1 profit with my $50. Just you know, it's just a smaller money. So it just So I've already put my TP 115,000 here. Confirm. Then another second order here. Yeah, I want to modify TP. I'll take my let's say I want to take my profit at 117,000. You can see I also make about $1 profit. I'll now click on confirm. You can also, if you want to use stop loss, you can also use stop loss. It doesn't matter, but since it's spot trading, you don't need to. Just click on confirm here. You can see I've already put my here. I want to buy at 112,000 here. This is 113,000 here. This is all my take profits. It's that simple and easy, guys. So let me just go back again. So I don't want to use any stop loss here. Let me just modify it very well. Since it's a spot trading, you know, I have to just spot trading is, you have to just have enough patience so that you can make your profit. My first order is 113,000. My second order is 112,000. So with that, you can start with that way and buying at lower price and sell it, because I've already checked the chart that I want to buy at. Can you see this? This is wow. You can see this is all my order: 113,000 and 112,000. That is the reason I just love to trade with Bybit broker, Bybit exchange. You see, my first order is 113,000. My second order is 112,000. I want to buy at, you know, I'll keep buying at lower price. At the end of the day, I will make more profit. So see you guys in my next coming video. Subscribe, like this video, share this video to all your audience. Then for more updates like this, just make sure to stick around and to be set your alerts and be getting update on this particular YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like and share. Bye for now, guys.